Hi class 1 students. Last week we have done chapter 1 explanation, then book exercise and question answer, and I think that you all have gone through the chapter and whatever work I have given you have done that. Today we will start chapter 2, that is uses of a computer, the places where we can use the computer, the what are the things we can do in a computer. These things we will learn in this chapter number 2. So everyone open the book, page number 15, and get ready with a pencil. So in the first page we will see a get going, that is certain pictures of places are given and we have to name that which places are those. So let us start. The first picture is the picture of a classroom. See on the top a box is given with 5 names of different places. From there we will select the names. So everyone write as I am saying. The first picture is the picture of a classroom. Write classroom. Next, below that is a supermarket. Please go through the spelling from the box and write it. Second one below the first picture is the supermarket. Beside it we have restaurant. Beside it we have restaurant. And in the last column we have first a hospital. Write hospital, and below that we have the vegetable store. Vegetable store. So I think everyone has finished till here. Now everyone please turn the page. Now in this page we will learn the different uses of a computer. What are the different things that we can do using a computer? So first thing we all have learned, we all know that we can write on computer, we can type different numbers, letters on the computer, we can draw pictures, we can listen to music, we can watch movies. These are the basic things we know. These things elaborately we will learn in this chapter. So the very first thing we can do using a computer is playing games. Now, playing games. We can play different types of games in a computer. Like we can play cricket, we can play football, we can play chess. These are the different types of games we can play in the computer system. Next is writing. We can write different types of things using a computer. We can send email to our friends, we can type letters, we can write stories, we can write different types of dialogues using the computer system. So next one is we can also use this keyboard for typing. We all know that keyboard is an input device, and using that keyboard we can type different letters, numbers, symbols in the computer system by pressing its key, different keys. This is rather called typing. Whenever you are pressing the different keys in a keyboard and certain letters, numbers are coming on the computer, this process is called typing. Next we can solve sums, solve different mathematical problems using the computer system, because computer can efficiently calculate any sum. Different type of mathematical calculations, computer can efficiently calculate the answers. Next we have watch movies. We can watch movies using a computer. Different types of cartoons we can see on the computer screen. Next, we can listen to music. We can listen to songs, we can listen to ringtones, different types of music we can listen in the computer system. Next, we can draw pictures using the computer. Different types of pictures, different types of sceneries, different types of images, objects we can draw in the computer system. Along with that, we can color it over there also. Next, we can do research work in the computer system. We can do our homework using the computer system. We can make different projects using the computer system. Next, we can book tickets using the computer system. Book tickets of movies, book tickets of trains, airlines, that is flight. We can book tickets of buses. Different types of tickets we can book using the computer system. Next is we can launch and control different types of satellites. So these are rather a hard version of using the computer system. Just know the names that we can launch and control different satellites. We can also forecast weathers using the computer system. So we can forecast the different days weather using the computer system. And other than that, we can also use computer for storing data, for making different movies, different cartoons, and there are many more uses of computer system. So I think till here the different uses of a computer system is clear to all. So I request now everyone please turn page 18. There is a flash test. We will do it now. So take the pencil in your hand. Tick on the activities which can be done on the computer system. So we will tick whichever we can do. Listen to music. Yes. So give a tick. Draw pictures. Yes. Give a tick. Cook food. No, we cannot cook food in the computer system. So give a cross or leave it. Don't give anything. Run. Nah, the computer cannot run. So give nothing. No need to give a cross. Only give tick for two things, that are listen to music and draw pictures. These two things give tick. Till here we will do the class today. Next class I will explain you the places where we can use the computer. So the uses of computer you will read it at home, and next class we will do places where we can see computers. So the homework is page number 15, 16, 17. Read these 3 pages thoroughly at home and stay home. Bye bye.